we also know that there's a talent and a skills shortage. And if you're not treating your people in the best way you can, if they don't feel psychologically safe, you're going to lose them. I hope you can join me for my next webinar. I'm going to be looking at how psychological safety affects your company, your well-being, and you. And one of the really exciting things that I've noticed, and I don't know if you have too, is that there's much more attention being paid to psychological safety. And I think in part because of COVID and, the kind of greater emphasis on well-being. When I was talking about psychological safety even 12 months ago, people would look at me and kind of have a bit of a glazed look on their face. But now people are paying attention. They're starting to understand this is a really important concept. And it's important from a number of fronts. We really need to be looking after people's well-being in the midst of so much uncertainty. We know that when you have high psychological safety, your company and your team perform well. But we also know that there's a talent and a skills shortage. And if you're not treating your people in the best way you can, if they don't feel psychologically safe, you're going to lose them. And what's that going to do for your business when you lose your top talent and you're having to constantly recruit new people? Because people leave jobs because they're unhappy and because they don't feel psychologically safe.